Hi, welcome to this video. In this video, this is day 23 affiliate marketing beginner to expert 30 days challenge $1,000. In this video, we are just going to see about the how to generate the content ideas using SEM Rush. The thing what we have to do is we are just want to generate the content ideas. What are all depending on your blog, we have how can generate the content ideas. You can do it on the free tool also, like as Uber suggest, Google keyword planner, like that. Free keyword tools also you can do it, or any other keyword tools which has been newly launched also you can do it in the same manner. But I'm just showing you in a paid tool called SEM Rush. And this is an SEO is the most important thing, and you can generate the content ideas also. So we just take a niche and just place it over there, and you can start generating the content ideas. That is the most important thing. So content marketing is also done in SEM Rush, and all the things, magical things like reports, lead generations, marketing calendar, SEO's writing assistant, SEO writing template, everything is done. An advanced method is taught in the affiliate marketing mastery course also in doing the SEO. The SEO's a new topic called topical clusters has been discussed in detail in affiliate marketing mastery, and whoever can join the affiliate marketing mastery. I have given the mobile number also. You can just WhatsApp to this number and you can join that course, and it's a small affordable price only, and many secrets and 1% of affiliate marketing secrets has also been shared in that affiliate marketing mastery course. And the like how to snoop a new product launch and how to promote the product. By snooping a new product, you can the Google ranking in the Google is also easy, making money is also easy. So many students have started making money by starting affiliate marketing mastery course. You can also join. Now coming to the topic, I am just clicking in a content marketing toolkit. I am clicking the topical research thing. So I'll just type a new niche. So I'll just type it as dog food for French bulldogs. I'll just type this one. Yes. Okay. I'll just close it. I have already taken this niche. I'll just show you because it takes so much of time over there. So I'm just taking this niche, and it takes some time because it grabs the content ideas from all the website around the internet. Yes, it has taken like best dog food for French bulldogs. It has taken weight loss, golden retrievers, amino acids. These are all the content ideas. You can just search it in the cards also. It's country specific. It does for United States, right? And it's card oriented content ideas also. You can just click show more, and also you can just see. And next one, you can just explorer also, you can just check it out. And after the explorer, you can go for overview, and also the mind map also, you can just check this out. So the getting the content ideas for our blog is a very easy thing. Just copy your niche, just copy it and paste it over there, and the keyword research tool will generate the content ideas. And I have just given the mobile. Yeah, see the interesting question wise content ideas is also done. And finally, I'll just also show you the mind map how it is showed. Yeah, I'll just show you the mind map. I'll just see, have a look at it. It's a mind map also. So the content generated mind map will also be shown, like headlines wise, question wise, everything will be shown. So this is how the content ideas is generated by going to the topic research in SEM Rush. You can also join my affiliate marketing mastery course, and it's an intense course, and many persons have joined and started earning. So you can also start earning now, and many other advanced methods have been taught over there. And to see the basics, you can see this videos also. This is also more than enough to get the earnings of $1,000. If you want to become a master, you can just join my course. The mobile number is there. You can WhatsApp me at any time, and I'll reply for that. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.